Hey guys, welcome to today, and have I got a surprise for you, this little one running around. Look at these lovely fellas. Oh, are you orange? What happened here? Might have been coal actually. But look, this is my Mexican sunflowers. I planted some, well, they're red, and they're coming up. It's been a trial and error because they were under attack, and they're still a bit kind of iffy if you look at the leaves, but they're coming up, and I'm going to have loads of seeds. I left these purposefully so that I can get some seeds and have some more. I had brought a packet in the store, and it cost about, I think it's about $4 or $5, and I think you get either 25 to 30 seeds, and come this way, 25 to 30 seeds, but only 5 plants came up. Now, so we've got the 4 here, actually no, 6. We've got the 4 here, and I just love them. They're very it's really different. I guess it's because the sun is setting, so they're very different in terms of the leaf shape, because this is the yellow Mexican sunflower, and I think the shape of the flower, the yellow one's a bit more pointy, and I'll see if I can find one growing, and as I said, the leaves are slightly different, so I'm really looking forward to some of these growing. So let's go and see. I did see, where did I see a yellow one? So I've got my little little hedge. So what's going to happen here is we're going to get a riot of colour. You're going to get, all of this is going to be yellow, and then you're going to have the red, and I'm hoping once I've got some more seeds to put, I want to follow all of the Mexican sunflower along this border as well, just to create just kind of like an enclosed area. Now, oh yeah, there's one at the back, and we're going that way anyway, so if you just follow me, and we'll walk round through the path and to the back of the garden. So all of this here actually, oh, here we go, look, here's a couple. So all of these are, nearly fell over. Oh my gosh. So look at the flowers, very different. But it's going to be a nice contrast. So they're more pointy. And just before it gets totally dark, I'm going to take you over to the other one that I've got growing. And I managed to save it actually. It nearly got eaten. And it's right over here. Actually, I should do more walking around the perimeter of the garden. It's a bit more exercise. So it's here. Oh, it looks like it needs a bit of water. But I was feeling it earlier, and the leaves feel all silky. It's amazing. So I need to give that some water before I go in. But I wanted to show you, unless it's supposed to rain, I wanted just to show you the red flowers. It's beautiful. I just love it. I love Mexican sunflower anyway, but to have the red variety, I don't know whether there are others, whether there may be an orange one or whatever, but it's going to be really nice to see these growing around the garden and get the pops of, so if you just can think about here's going to be all yellow and yellow at the back, and then you've got the pop of red, and I'd love to get some at the top as well, because I've got Mexican sunflower up there as well and along the front, and so I'd love to have a difference in colour. It's really pretty. It's gorgeous. So you see this, it is very different in terms of the shape of the flower and the shape of the leaves, but do you know what, I'm just so happy it's growing. So what I had to do was give it just some, Epsom salts, I just put a little bit in water, and that usually does give them a boost. And I think it has happened here. It's given them a boost a little bit, and then maybe come round with some neem. I've got some neem oil now, and just spray the leaves. But they're all doing really well, and I think the reason why this one's doing even better is because of the distribution of the water. Because we're on a hill, it will settle here, so this one is getting more water. Anyway, so I'm going to leave it there. I just hope that you, if you've look at some of my other Mexican sunflower videos, and you'll be able to hear me gushing about the plants, and actually see, look at the first one. You can see the work that I actually has gone into putting all of these in, because none of these were here before. And it's been, good couple of years of work to get it all around the back. It's a better view, isn't it? All around the back, all along here. And I do have to keep it under control. I have to cut it on a regular basis, because with all this rain, it's been growing really well. Okay, so take care for now. Let me know how you're getting on. And if this is your first time, please do like and subscribe. And I would also hit the notification bell, so you'll be aware of any other videos that come up. So take care for now.